Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So anyone would ask me, before that I would like to say that this is my father's t-shirt which I'm wearing, like shirt, sorry, not t-shirt. I have ordered because I have to style it with Deepika, the way she wore that t-shirt or shirt or anything. It's in white and it's one shoulder, so I wore this and I have created this look, came out to be this look. So if you're interested in knowing how I got this look, keep on watching. And yes, if you haven't watched my Mother's Day special video, do go and watch that. I'll leave the link down below. So yeah, so without any further more blabbering, just like me, so keep on watching. Hello guys, welcome back to my voiceover. Because I cannot do my makeup and talk at the same time, it would take a million years to complete a video. And now I'm blending my foundation with the PAC Beauty sponge and I'm blending it well. I'm taking the LA Pro Girl Conceal. It's my favorite concealer. Everyone knows that. I use this in all my makeup tutorials now. I love this. I'm putting it on my usual areas to hide my dark circles on my forehead. And I'm just trying to blend it in with the brush. You have to blend it very properly, guys, because blending is the key. Here I'm blending my eyes. It's very important to blend, guys, because if you don't blend properly, your makeup will not look flawless. Now I'm using the compact powder to just set the part where I put the concealer. For this makeup specially, you need to set your face properly, so I'm doing that. I'm just putting the face powder wherever I have concealed. So I'm putting in the places where I've concealed my face. This is the Maybelline Fashion Brow. It's a pencil. So I never put that pencil on my brows, but here in Deepika's look it's very precise, so I'm using that pencil to just cover up all the face places that are need to be covered. I'm using that powder now just to set wherever it is needed to be set. A spoolie is very important for a brow product, guys, so keep a spoolie like this if you don't have a spoolie on your brow thing. I'm using two eyeshadow palette, and that one is Wet n Wild and one is Maybelline. I'm taking that white eyeshadow and putting it all over my eyelids, just because I don't have a shimmer eyeshadow, like the liquid shimmer eyeshadow. So I'm taking that powder one and I'm just putting it all over my eyelids, just to cover it with give a base actually. So I'm taking a little pinkish shimmery shade and I'm applying it with my hands. You can see there is a lot of fallout, so I have to brush out all the shimmer shades. I'm doing that on my other eye too. So I'm just giving it a shimmery look. So I'm taking this white shimmery shade from the Maybelline palette and I'm just putting it all over to give that look. Do you see that? I'm using my hands because the brush couldn't pick the pigment out. Now I'm blending it out. I'm blending a whole shadow out, whatever I've done, and I'm blending it out just to give that wet shimmery white look. I'm taking this transition brownish shade and just putting that on my lower lash line, because exactly this is what she did. I'm putting that on my upper, just like an eyeliner, just like a brown eyeliner, because that is what she did too. So I'm using this mascara. I'm really sorry for that face, but this is how you can see the difference. Do you see the difference? Yeah, this is the way you can see the difference. I'm using that Maybelline contour palette. You see, that's my favorite, and I'm contouring my face because she contoured her face well. I'm doing that. I'm putting the NYX blush. It's pigmented. She has put that on the sides, not on her apple of the cheeks. So I'm doing that. I'm giving the most pigment outside, like the part near my ears. I'm taking the highlighter shade from the same palette. I'm putting a lots and lots of highlighter because that is what she did. She has put a lot and lot of highlighter. This is a normal shade which I received from Purple as a free gift, and I thought this is going to match, but this is going to give a very purplish undertone which I don't like. I just don't like how it looked. This is not the shade she wore, so to just tone down it a little, I'm putting a foundation. I'm putting the foundation on my lips so that it will tone down the purpley thing on that. Do you see? I like my lips now a little better actually. This is very drying, guys. If you want to start, don't get it. It's very bad. This is the final look, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, click the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video, and please comment down below how do you like it or not. I'll be waiting for your comments and I'll reply back to anyone. Bye guys, love you.